Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin went above 47,000 US dollar, the number what we haven't seen in the last 22 months. Then the second thing I would like to talk about, that Gary Gensler is warning people on Twitter in a post about the danger of crypto investments. And actually, in one way, this is bullish. And the third news is all about the Cramer indicator, because Jim is saying that now that Bitcoin is topping out. And guess what? Bitcoin went up. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, just simply subscribe and I keep you up to date. If you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then definitely hit the like button. And now let's do it. Right, and how the price looks like? Well, quite promising, because Bitcoin is up more than 4% in the last 24 hours right now, 46,708 US dollar, but we were above 47,000. Ethereum, on the other hand, went up just 1.8%, 2,300-ish at the moment. However, alts going quite well, so the 1% up. Helium, then we have Bonk, 24% up. Bitcoin SC, 17% up. And look, many others also, and they performed actually even better than that a couple of hours earlier. Among losers, Clay down 24%, GMT continues to go down 11%, XLR down 6%, but not major drops as we can see it. On the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we do see this, triangle I mentioned also yesterday, which is a bullish sign, and we did break out, and then we closed above it. Now we went down all the way here, and now we're coming back, and we're going up quite well. The highest was so far 47,330 US dollar, and maybe tomorrow could be really the day when the Bitcoin spot ETF approval happens. That's the last deadline, 10th of January, when it comes to ARK Invest, approval. Application, and the last deadline for the approval. If it's not happening, they have to, refill it again. But as you can see here, look at this. We have 47,000 Bitcoin. This is actually a number what we haven't seen here for 22 months. And last time on the way down, we have seen this number in April 2022. And this is basically all about Bitcoin spot ETF FOMO, what we have right now, because this could be a game changer for Bitcoin, a game changer in a way, how it can be even more interesting for institutional investors in the future. And to be honest with you, this is the main story now. We cannot really talk about anything else, because a lot of positive things I have mentioned already. Bitcoin is doing fine. The fundamentals are just the same as they were a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. Now the approach from institutional investors and also from banks and many others are just different. But Bitcoin is the same what it was a couple of years ago, since it has started 15 years ago, to be honest with you. Right, okay. But now let's move to the second topic. The second topic, it's kind of bullish as well in a way, because you have Gary Gensler warning people about this FOMO, what is on the market right now. So Gary Gensler issues warning on crypto ahead of potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval. And you can see his tweet here, saying these kind of things, that some things to keep in mind if you are considering investing in crypto assets. Investing in crypto asset also can be especially risky, and are often volatile. A number of major platforms and crypto assets have become insolvent and or lost value. Investment in crypto assets continue to be subject to significant risk, and so on and so forth. Bottom line is, that this is, again, bullish when it comes to Bitcoin spot ETF. Why? Because why would he do this? He's doing it because maybe the approval is really happening now. And when this happens, he wanted to warn the people. Why would he do it otherwise? If you don't know, at the time I'm making this video, right now, we don't know they have approved it or not. But obviously more signs go towards they're going to approve it, now. So pretty soon, rather than push it to March and so on and so forth. However, that still can happen, okay? So nothing is granted, but this is, again, now when we are playing this guessing game, it's, again, something which is rather, a plus that, yes, they're rather going to approve it right now, but we're going to see what's going to happen. And the third thing, which always helps Bitcoin perform, if Jim Cramer saying some negative things about Bitcoin. Fun fact, but we do know the Jim Cramer indicator, and it works every single time. If you remember, a couple of days ago, Jim said, Bitcoin going to stay here with us, the bulls were right, and so on and so forth. What happened? Yes, Bitcoin did go down a bit. Now, he's saying Bitcoin is topping out. That was it. What happened? Straight away, Bitcoin all the way up above 47,000 US dollars. So, Jim, keep doing your hard work. It's really working. Whatever you're saying, the opposite is right now happening. So, more bearish news, please, to pump up Bitcoin. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I'm making you this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain-related news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. Really, now, in the today, we're really waiting for the moment, which might happening tomorrow, right? It might happening tomorrow. So we're going to see what kind of episode we're going to have. The one when I'm saying that, yes, they have approved it, or the other one that, no, they don't approve it, and maybe later they're going to do it. So interesting things. The price could be volatile, whatever. Depends what's happening, but both ways, right? If it's a positive news, it's approval, or it's a non-approval. In both cases, we could be volatile. So be aware of that. Yeah, that's it for today. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.